Na, make it,
Di ko, ay, akong tangtangon.
Ayaw.
Try.
Perfect. It's perfect.
Di ko, ay.
Wait. It needs to be red.
Please get the black spots.
No. That's the best part. You're evil bunny now. Wait, I'm not done. I have no future in makeup artistry.
Not all.
You should be.
Wala dito. Dito lang, oh. Na!
Wait!
Ano ba?
You look really good now. Wait,
Ah! Brett? Mana!
No, look.
Ako ay mo, nindot. Ako ay mo gibuat.
It's not dindot. Oy.
Gosh.
You look cute. Look, oh. Look at yours. From this way. Tawa.
Napay pugong. Ay, ito. Meron pang clip, Jenny babe.
Wala. Guys, we need video for baby.
Of course, look at us.
Here, pretty babe.
Bunny, di ba?
Mm.
Bunny. Oh, mas babae pa. Parang mas babae ka sa akin. Ba't ganun, ha?
Look at your face.
Hindi sa akin na lang tong ribbon, sa'yo lang to.
Come on.
Ayaw! Ay, oh. Put the ribbon. Ang cute ng bunny.
Hindi ko alam. Paano? Ganon?
Shoot them. Yeah.
Breto. Tarong mo na lang ang buhok. Tight ka na.
Hala. Tara.
Okay, go na. Come on, video.
Wait. Saan pugong mo? Gang na kayo sa pugong.
Oo. Bigyan sa gawas. Murag na diha. Para meron dyan.
Nakakasabot. So, ano?
Hi.
Ah!
What's this for?
What's that for, Brittany?
It's for...
Cuteness factor. Because you and Ryan, you're like the funny couple, and they're the cute couple.
And you and James.
Not
The hot couple.
I don't know. Paano ba yung ears sa bunny?
Ano?
Hmm?
No.
Ganun.
Brad, we should shoot you later, like without face paint, tapos playing the guitar with Fritz.
Why?
Like you're playing the guitar and she's singing to it. It looks cute.
Ba't sa'yo cute? Sa akin, anong ginawa mo sa mukha ko, ha?
Ang nagpapangit kasi yung black.
Oo nga eh! Kunin mo. Kunin mo, ha?
Parang old witch.
Meron pang black sa gitna. Gata.
It's only so cool. It's super clear even though you super zoom in. Look.
Help
Look,
me.
look, look, look. Super zoom in.
The black, what's what makes it great.
It doesn't pixelate. Oh, it doesn't pixelate. What I do before, kasi may crush ako. Tapos ang kanyang classroom, iba dito.
Oh,
Ang
dark na
amin.
akong eyeballs.
Tapos dito parang,
Nabubog.
kasi may curtain. Tapos dito yung kanilang classroom. So, labas siya sa kanilang classroom.
Anong ini-imagine mo? Ba't may black?
Neta?
Sige na!
Tingnan mo na.
Wait!